Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video again. Today I will have another episode where we're going to show you how we take our tube number 5, which is a little bit close to the front area, but it's also, still the area where you smile. We're going to show you how to take it out and how to replace it with the implant from A to Z. So check out my video and let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching. Here we go, guys. So tube number 5, apical lesion and recurrent decay, as well as external resorption on the distal part of the crown. We will go ahead and take this tube out, elevate it out, and using the forceps and just take it out. The key thing is not to break the buccal bone area. And so after I remove this one, I would drill a pilot drill on the palate area and beyond the apex, so I can put the implant and create enough stability. I put the bone graft in and then use the Nobel Active implant and just basically tie on the area where I drill. And after this, I will put the Huynh abutment in and put the collagen membrane around the bone. And in order to preserve this, I have to put some composite flowable around the abutment and use the adjacent tube at the junction to hold on to the temporary portion of the graft. So that's what I do. I put the flowable composite around the Huynh abutment, you guys. The idea is to keep this for about 2 weeks, take it out and let the gum heal. Once it's healed up, we can pretty much wait for the tissue to completely heal and take the impression for the final product. So as you can see, this process save you from trouble of having the gum recession. Here is the digital impression of the crown that we received. We're ready to try in for the patient. The noted that the customer abutment really long. That's because we put the implant really deep. Immediate extraction, you have to put the implant deep in order to get to stability. So that's what it is. So this is before I take it out. I took it out now and I'm placing the permanent crown in and give it a try right now and see how it fit. Noted that I haven't used any anesthesia at this point either. I told the patient you might feel pressure and the tissue look blanch white on the buccal, and that's what it looked. Patient is okay. He didn't complain much. I went ahead and tie it up so I can take an x-ray and make sure the distal mesial contact is comfortable for the patient, and the tissue blanched pretty well. This is the camera, so sometimes you see the color a little bit different, but in actuality the color matched pretty well. So that's where you can see the hole and the occlusal part. Here is the bite. Patient feel pretty comfortable. I go ahead and put a permanent tie on this one. Here the Teflon, put some in there, put a flowable, close it up, and then check out the bite again, make sure the patient is comfortable, he's happy, he's feeling good. So from A to Z, tube remove, here's the x-ray again, tube remove with an abscess and distal leaking. We remove it, place it deeper. As you can see on the implant, the final implant product, the implant had to pass through at least 6 millimeter, 5 millimeter past the apex in order for us to create stability. Also, you noted that the bone level is just the same way at the beginning of the tube loss area. So you can see that is done. So thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. If you have any comment question, feel free to ask this question below here, and also follow me to see more of the video similar for the educational purpose. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.